All right, this is Kahoot. Kahoot is a program that lets you create different, not even quizzes, but different ways to interact with your students. So I've already started creating one to play around with it before I showed you this as a video. I said, what is the best subject? And I could even create a different image. I put PE because, of course, PE is always the best. There's art, math, and music. And there's little check marks next to each one, and I highlighted PE because, of course, I teach PE, so that's the best one. I could even do like another question. I could do a true false. I can put PE is, sorry, it's all caps, the best subject. And I can put true because it is, or I could mark false. I could add several more questions, but I'm going to be done for the sake of this. So I need to create a title on it. I'll label it, or maybe it won't let me label it. Let's go ahead and play. And so this allows students to interact with me. I can say, let's play player versus player or team versus team. So I could have a device such as an iPad, Chromebook, phone, or anything that connects to the internet. Or I can do player versus player. So let's go classic. And this page comes up. Let's see if I can mute it. I don't know if I can do, but so each kid would go to this website, or there's even an app you can download on your phone, and then this is a page that they'll get, and they'll enter this number, and it'll bring them right into the quiz that I've created. And I don't think it will let me go without creating a pin. So let's go ahead and we can all get on our phones to go to Kahoot. And it's going to be your second option when you get on your phone, or it will ask you if you want to buy it, but you shouldn't have to if you go to the second one. And so now that we have a player, we can go ahead and start the game. And it's going to give us a few seconds to look at what the question is. And I'm going to click PE. And if there's other players playing with us, the quicker you click on the right answer, the more points you get. So if your friend next to you is playing, and they took about a minute to answer, they're going to probably get like 20 points if you click on it within seconds. Like I just got 868 points. So I'm going to go ahead and go next. And there's my points. And if you had other kids playing, they'll all pop up along here. So this was going to be a true or false one. PE is the best subject. And of course, I'm going to click true. And since I only created 2 questions, that's going to be end of game. And that is about it. This is a great way for kids to be able to interact with other kids, and they can even create nicknames. Like I've created a nickname for myself. That way no one knows who they truly are, but yet it gets them a little bit competitive and gets them thinking on their feet. And that concludes my video.